Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi Q8 E-tron Sportback Black Edition 50 Quattro. Now, this particular example is finished in a fantastic blue metallic paintwork to really give it that standout road appearance. Now, to look towards some of the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, there's been the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the gloss black window surrounds, gloss black rear diffuser, black wheels, black mirror housing, and also at the front of the vehicle with the grille as well. Now, moving towards the front, we do also find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional Black Edition specific 21-inch 5-arm aero design alloys, and they do really complement that lovely blue paintwork. Moving upwards now, we do find the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is also fitted to the vehicle as a part of the Technology Package Pro. Now, moving into the rear boot space of the Q8 E-tron Sportback, where we find up to 528 litres of storage space. To see a large amount for an EV of this size, this can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Taking a look into the rear now, we find a full quilted leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added storage and also extra comfort. There are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making a vehicle perfect for family usage, as well as also having a digitalised dual zone climate control for those rear passengers. Now, moving into the front, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Tech Pack Pro model, it does mean the vehicle has a panoramic glass sunroof which is let in the natural light, and as well you get the Audi Sports logo along with the white stitching. Above now, there is also the virtual cockpit, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters, and besides this you can access your telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle data. Now, to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation. It can also be used to access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find an equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable and is touch sensitive, and there are heated seats available either side for both front occupants. To the screen above, once again, we find the optional 3D surround and 360 view, making the vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi Q8 E-tron Sportback Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do get in touch with our friendly sales team.